Hey everyone, I'm really excited about today's video because it is the day that I get to try out the Slimy Gloop Squeezewiches with my daughters. We are actually trying out the Rainbow Waffle and the Galaxy PB&J. I'll be showing you what comes inside each of the kits and what we thought of them. The first one we tried was the Rainbow Waffle. It is so cute. I love the rainbow colors. You guys know how I feel about rainbows. So inside the kit, you're going to get these two rainbow waffles and this silver glitter. It's kind of like tinsel. These cute rainbow sprinkles, a small package of slimy gloop, and the instructions. We started by opening everything up. There are slits and tabs there where you can just peel it off. However, my daughter is 5 and asked for help, so I just pulled out the scissors. To get the slimy gloop out, I decided to cut another slit down the side so that I could open the package right up and then just take out the goop. As you can see, it is very sticky. Now, this is common with slimes or gloops. Sometimes you will run into this. Sometimes if you just play with them and knead them a bit, the stickiness goes away. What we ended up having to do was just add a little tiny bit more slime activator to it. My 5-year-old had a lot of fun adding the stuff to her slime. She loves slime so much, so this was a great kit for her. She enjoyed adding all the glitter and the sprinkles. She had a lot of fun with it. So here's the finished slime that she created. She added the full package of the tinsel glitter and the sprinkles, and this is what it looked like. It was super stretchy. Now that her slimy gloop was complete, it was time to add it to the center of the waffle to make her squeezewich. This was before we thought to add extra activator, so she struggled a little bit with the stickiness of the slime and asked me for help. And here is our completed Rainbow Waffle Squeezewich. Next up, we did the Galaxy PB&J. Inside the kit, you'll get 2 pieces of Galaxy Toast, moon-shaped glitter, star-shaped glitter, a 1-ounce package of purple slimy gloop, and the instructions. Again, I started by removing the tops for the glitters, and I also just used the tabs that they have built in to open up the slimy gloop. This stuff is super stretchy. Here you can see my 7-year-old adding her toppings. She went ahead and added the moon-shaped glitter and some of the silver star glitter as well. She mixed it together, and this was the result. If you're interested in either of these kits, I have linked the Amazon links in the description box below. And I would love to hear from you guys. Tell me which one you liked better. Did you prefer the Rainbow Waffle one, or did you like the Galaxy PB&J? Make sure to leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!